Every day, people make money online using simple strategies and tools to earn more passive income during their free time. Are you ready to learn one of these strategies so that you can stop struggling to make ends meet and regain more of your precious time and financial freedom, and be able to invest into your family and the projects you're more passionate about? If your answer is yes, then you're in luck. Today, I'm going to show you how you can earn up to $1,500 every single day using Google News. This method I'm about to teach you works for everyone around the world. With this method, you don't even need to build a website or create a YouTube channel. To be exact, you don't need a social media following either. You might even be wondering if it requires you to have prior selling experience. The simple answer is no. This may be the easiest way to make money online without selling anything or doing any kind of marketing. In 2 simple steps, I'll show you in detail how to literally copy and paste some text using Google News and an AI tool. If you stick with me until the end of this video, I'm going to show you a full list of websites that will pay you to use your article. So let's get right into it. The first thing you have to do is to go to Google homepage, type in Google News and click on Google News. This is the place where you can find the latest news and the latest articles on all topics around the world. So it's like a newspaper. You can find everything on here about politics, entertainment, health, technology, sports, business, history, and whatever you can think of. You can find it on this website. Now, how will this make you money? This method is completely free and you're going to get paid by PayPal, but if you don't want to get payment through PayPal, you can select different payment options like a bank transfer or Payoneer. Now, back to the website. If you look over to your left side on the website, you see all the categories. You have news about the world. This is about what's happening around the world right now. You have your own local news, which is something that we will not focus on. You simply want to focus only on business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and mostly health. For example, if you select a health category, it's going to give you all of the latest news and all the articles related to health. So let's scroll and find something interesting here. Let's say I'm interested in this article which was uploaded just recently, and it's a really good article that would attract a lot of readers. So what you need to do is open the article. Don't worry, you will not have to write articles. With this method that I'm teaching you, you don't have to spend hours researching, writing, and editing content only to have it rejected by those you'll be submitting your work to with no reward or compensation for your hard work. Let's proceed to the next step here. Here you will need to paste the article which you found on Google News into the AI tool we're going to discuss in just a bit to generate a refined article that you can submit to big websites that will pay you for publishing on their website. This will also increase your authority as a writer. At this point, you're probably wondering how you can use this powerful AI tool I've been referring to. The AI tool is called ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an incredibly powerful tool that can be used to quickly write professional, plagiarism-free articles by analyzing the syntax and semantics of the given text. It automatically produces new content that preserves all information from original input by also providing fresh ideas and insights. This ensures that your finished product will not only be professional, but also original and engaging for readers. Now, revisit the article that you copied from Google News and paste it into ChatGPT. Let me quickly give you a hack that gives you the power to recreate this article within ChatGPT, but before we do that, if you like this video so far, quickly like this video, hit the subscription button and put on the notification so that you can be informed when I post informative videos like this. To use ChatGPT, first of all, you need to install a Chrome extension called Keyword Everywhere, then open ChatGPT, click on the Templates option on the bottom left corner in ChatGPT, click on that option and select Copywriting under Category, click on subcategories such as Content Writing, Content Rewriter, then paste the content you copied from Google News in the context box, and it'll automatically create a prompt. Then just click on Execute Prompt and this will generate a flawless and error-free article for you. You can also upload it into Grammarly and tweak it to perfection. You want to copy this into Grammarly so that it can review your article for any inaccuracies or typos. Artificial intelligence is not perfect as well. Now, after you copy your article from ChatGPT, you paste it into Google Docs for easy access. Then you can proofread it again. All you have to do after proofreading it is to copy the link of the Google Doc by clicking on the Share button to make sure you give access to anyone with the link as a viewer. The next thing you have to consider is how to pitch your articles to big publishing sites. The most important part of getting paid for articles is crafting a great pitch, and this can often be overlooked when submitting an article to a publisher. Having a great pitch is essential. A good pitch should be able to clearly demonstrate why the article is worth reading and how it can benefit the publisher. The pitch should also explain why the topic is timely and relevant, as well as provide evidence of your expertise in that subject matter. If someone likes the pitch that you presented and likes the article, then there's a likelihood that they will contact you to write more. Let's go back to the article that you rewrote. Now, you want to use this same method on 3 different websites that I'm going to be teaching you to make money. They're going to pay you for this article, and I'm going to show you websites where you can earn as much as $1 per word. Each article that you rewrite will most likely have thousands of words, so with an article of say 2,000 characters, you can be sure to make as much as $2,000. The first website that you're going to be making money on is called eatingwell.com, and it's a website that provides information on health and nutrition. This website is going to pay you $1 for each word that you write, so instead of you writing the article and doing the hard work yourself, you're going to be using the method I've just explained to you earlier, and you're not going to face any copyright issues. So, since this website pays you $1 for each word that you write, if you have a 500-word article, they're going to be paying you $500. You don't have to spend any money to earn this amount. You can literally start doing this right now. So, how do you submit your article for payment? Well, you have to go into this website, and as you can see, it says $1 for each word that you submit. So when you open this website, what you want to do is you want to get the email address here, and after you copy this email, you will craft an email that contains everything that I mentioned above that a pitch should include. Like I said earlier, the most important part of getting paid for an article is to craft a great pitch. After you've crafted your pitch and attached your article to your email, you want to send it off to the contact email address. If they like the article, they're going to email you back and would be asking for your payment details. The other way you can do this as well, if you don't want to send off an email, you can just go to the website and you can fill out the request form and submit. And when they answer back to you asking for your payment details, then you can tell them how you want to be paid. So if you want to be paid by PayPal, you just give them your payment details. If you don't want to be paid by PayPal, you just give them your bank details or whatever method that you prefer. Google News submits news every minute, so your potential for earning is limitless. Also, under the health category alone, there are other categories. There's medicine, healthcare, mental health, nutrition, fitness, so you have limitless ways of making money. The more you do this, the more money you're going to earn. Another website you can submit your article to is called sierraclub.org, and this website works kind of like the other one, and you can submit your article to them following the step-by-step way I explained to you earlier. The email address for submission here is submission.sierraclub.org, so you can just copy this email and do the same exact process that I showed you earlier. This site is in the tech and science niche, and it pays you $350 per article. The last website I'll be telling you about is called Daily JSTOR. This website is basically about news and different topics. You can also submit an article as well using the previous steps I explained earlier. This website is in the news and general topic niche. It pays $350 to $600 per article. Of course, not every article that you submit to websites is going to be accepted because they might have something similar on their website already. But even if they accept only one per day, that's still hundreds of dollars that you can make a day, and you don't have to invest any money up front. You don't have to waste any more time. You can literally start doing this right now for free, and you get paid directly. You don't have to do any affiliate marketing or have any prior experience. It's very easy to do this. The summary of how to do this is that you basically go to Google News, find any news article that interests you, copy the article, paste it into ChatGPT to rewrite the whole article for you, and then you can submit that article to the website so they can pay you for it. Overall, you can use this to make a lot of money. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to this channel so you don't miss the next money-making information that I put out on this channel. See you in the next one.